What is good, YouTube? It is your motherfucking boy, 𝙎𝙬𝙬. We are back here today. This is my first time doing 2 in a row financial videos with another Robinhood what is in my portfolio video. What I'm going to need you to do before we begin is go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe button, hit the bell notification too, because you need to know when my beautiful face is going to be up here. Also, please give me a visit over there on Instagram at 𝙎𝙬𝙬. But without further ado, I pray you're having an amazing week. There's all sorts of wild shit going on. For those of you who are enlightened, you're tuned into me. That's the reason you're watching this. I know you got your water. You're making sure you get a lot of water. And I know y'all been hearing about them UFO sightings they've been seeing up there in the sky. Be conscious of what we're doing. You know my channel is all about feeding the mind, feeding your ears, feeding your spirit, feeding your soul. So make sure you're taking care of yourself. Make sure you're keeping eyes on everything that's going on right now. I pray all you are doing well financially. I know the EDD is slow backed up with their money, so I know you need to be here with me investing money in the right place. So what we do here is just show you my open portfolio, my open book. I show you everything I have going on. You see each stock I'm invested in, as well as the shares. That's pretty much it. So without further ado, let's get it. Okay, so we're gonna pop the screen up right there. And as you see, today is another day in the red. So for some of you, y'all might say again, oh man, I'm just keep losing money, I'm moving money. And then you go buy all these penny stocks and then you lose even more money and then you get deterred from investing. Here, we keep everything calm, chill. Just like the great ones we learned from, the stock moves, the 𝙎𝙤𝙬𝙬, we relax. These red days are buying days, and that's all I'm doing. I increased my position in NIO a bit, so you see we are at 3,514 on the day, down maybe 1%, I'm not tripping. I increased my position a little bit in APXT. I increased my position a little bit in NIO. I had a little bit extra buying power, so I increased my position in the 𝙎𝙬𝙬, which we know was previously LCA. Arrowhead stayed the same. CSWC stayed the same. Just went down a little bit today. But make sure when you check out your shares in your position, if you're down red on a lot of things and the previous price you paid for some of these things was high, go ahead and give yourself another purchase so that way you can decrease your average cost. The more you decrease your average cost but increase your shares is the more revenue you make, the more money the company makes. Okay, so you still see Macy's, Fuel Cell, PSEC. I believe I have a dividend coming for them soon. Vuzi, Plug, Jumia, they're all up, which is a blessing. You see Blink, DXC, I increased my position in this. So for DXC, it's a technology company. I'm loving it. And we're taking a look at the numbers. You see a week ago up 13%, almost 9% that last month, and then 49%. So I'm loving these numbers. The 52-week high is at about $37, so it shows there's still plenty more room to go. It's also a dividend, you know what I mean? They give you 3%, so I'm going to keep increasing my position in these. And y'all know what we're doing here is we're going to increase our position in all of our stocks. We're going to go 25 shares of each, and then after 25 shares of each, we are going to do 50 shares of each, and then 75, and then 100. Continue building out our position and growing. Because one thing I'm knowing, I learned from 𝙎𝙬𝙬𝙬 is that when you have 125 shares is what he teaches over there. And when you have that amount of shares, you are able to keep 25 in and let them work for you, and you take the 100 shares out as a profit, or you can keep 100 and you take 25 out free. It's enough stake in there so that you could still have progress and have growth. And for the rest of my portfolio, Planetaire, I actually, this is the wild thing, it was down last week, so I sold a share of Planetaire, and as soon as I sell a share, the next day, it went up 5%. So that's just another lesson I'm learning. When it comes to your core companies, the companies that you really fuck with, that you've been down with for a long time, I've been in this for a long time, it serves you well. I've been in this since November 9th. So it serves you well. If you know a little about the company and you've been invested in it, stay down. because I actually ended up jumping ship on Peloton the same way. So I believe I took profit on NEO a bit early as well. So I'm learning just to keep my position if I really believe in the company. If I don't really believe in the company, either sell it all or stay in the position and build it. That's what I'm doing. It seems to be more understandable and easier for me to grasp. You can do what you like. Again, this is a beginner. This is me. So I'm just teaching you what I learned as I continue to grow. I'm in a bunch of Discords and watching a bunch of different YouTubers and researching and educating myself. So it's best you educate yourself before you make decisions for yourself, okay? So next, you see SPHD. I got a email from them today. I'm going to check that out. They're saying something, so I'm not sure if they change the dividend amount, but SPHD is a good dividend stock. Always pay me. CNST, you see that went down. I'm not gonna lie, I had skepticism on this stock, Constellation Pharmaceuticals, but when you check out the numbers, you know, there's plenty of room for growth. And then when I check out the 52-week high, $50, almost $51. We're at $27.50 right now, and I'm only down $4. So the universe is telling me to go with this stock. I did some research on it. They do have good numbers. Pharmaceuticals, this is America. They go hand in hand. I do believe this one to grow. So y'all, if y'all want to get a position in this, and comment below and let me know what you think of it, you know, we'll track it as we go. Maine is another good dividend stock. I will get at least $2,000 of as we continue to grow. And 𝑘O, which is the Chinese online education group. These are my plays for today. This is what my portfolio looks like. I just like to come in here and check in. I think I'm going to do more frequent check-ins, just letting you guys know what is on my portfolio, what I'm sitting at, how much money we gained, how much we lost, and gives me a chance to interact with some of you, and you let me know what stocks you like, what's hot right now. What do you think of my portfolio? Did you get your, I've been getting DMs. I see the DMs, I see the messages, I see the comments that you all are getting yourself some stocks. Some of you at $3,000, some at $1,000, $300. It's dope. It's super awesome. Please keep sending them to me. Please keep tagging me. Just want to make a quick video letting you know what my portfolio looks like. I'll be updating this weekly, 2 to 3 videos per week just on finance. I love you. Please hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification, because I'm going to be posting every day. I'm doing my best to post every day. Do you understand? Every day. It takes a lot out of me, but y'all rocking out with me. I love you. I think that's all I got. Okay? Until next time, stay awesome, stay medicated, stay lit. You did. Oh man. Gotta stay hydrated. Gotta keep the nigga hydrated.